Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem, and the issue is that TikTok service is not available right now. So, if you're facing this issue, I'll show you how to fix it easily. First of all, just go to the settings of your Android or iOS device. Simply open your settings and make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable. Also, check that your VPN is not connected. If it is, just disconnect it. After that, simply search for TikTok in your settings search bar. Once you find it, open TikTok settings. If you're on iOS, you can also search for TikTok in your search bar. The steps are similar on both Android and iOS. First, allow all the permissions from here. After that, go back and open storage. Then clear all data and also clear cache from here. Next, open your Play Store. Or if you're using iOS, open your App Store. Search for TikTok and make sure that it's updated to the latest version. If it's not, just update it from here. That's all you need to do to fix the TikTok service not available problem. So that's the video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related tutorials. Thanks for watching.